Mentah kesengi lai putrik lebar ke Civil Action Program kebala penlong dakan rupunyo Battalion CRPF Mawlingai LP Skul bat Hamargar Lake ban Jingiarap ban Pynbha ya kene ke Skul kebala rim ya kebala no senyang dakat tenat CRPF. Hakane kesengi lapli ya kete ke program dau SH Danesh Rana IPS IGP North Eastern Sector CRPF haka jinga don tengkar u SH Sunil Kumar Savita Komandan rupunyo Battalion CRPF Shillong uba Jack Sparlung do kumu chairman uba Rishanding Makdo orang bak shnong kakong siubil mau penyang kilong kemi long kepa kena Skul lembar kiwi de kibala syakot skubha hakate kesengi na kabor peniat Skul kilayo urban ay kador khas hau SS Danesh Rana IPS IGP North Eastern Sector CRPF ban yo bandang penimbiang syushu na benta ka jingnon kam jong kane ka Skul la sedang ban pentre ya kane ka kam haus nem arjar pulai lengba ka jinga don lang usiu barim usri alok bata ciria bat hakaju kapor ka e company hendru punyo Battalion CRPF kabadon hanong po.
What is known as civic action program, which we do in order to as an outreach program to the civil society and the areas that we serve in, so that the bridge that we have between the forces and the civilians, the locals, that can be bridged in a meaningful way. Any step which is taken for improvement of education would eventually mean that it is going to contribute to nation building. This is for the first time I have gone deep inside Meghalaya area, and I am really fascinated by the beauty of the place, the simplicity of the people, and all the hard work they put in, which was evident while I came here, seeing all the men and the women engaged in the fields and certain other shores which I could observe.
It gives me immense pleasure to place on record the fact that in such a remote place, when we launch such type of wonderful program of Government of India, that is Civic Action Program, we are very happy because such type of programs works like a breeze in between the uniform personnel as well as villagers and common citizens. Such programs connect us. Such programs gives us opportunity to get connected with all of you.
Ngade urang masnong jogasnong Mawlingai hangne te undang singi don ka program banpli ka Skul jungi kabangiyo ka Jingiarap naki CRPF te delang ba ka Jingiarap jong rona lengdo ngila ban ngilong kumne kumbangilong menta kumba pi sakhi naki jongki mat menta ka singi te nging ini asukmen haduk kata-kata habede bat ka ne ka jingyo jongi ban repair ya ketika Skul jongi wat hapdeng bangi ladu jingkermen kumbas ong no ba baro kata omdon ba repair yangi de lang ba ka Jingiarap jongi ngilayo sisa kumte kumbagalong te nangkaliang jonga request sia ka sarkar bahkan phaikmat habede bat ka ne ka snong jongi khamtam hakilti kisengkin ke ka umbam di ki Skul ki baro ki kenja diplomen ki ba poi hak ne ka snong jengi.
Well,